Is LibreWolf really safer than Firefox in 2026, or is it all hype? Let's break it down, quickly. First things first, neither LibreWolf nor Firefox is a scam. Both are legit, open-source browsers, but they're built for totally different people. Firefox, the classic, is backed by the Mozilla Foundation. It's the browser most people know, mainstream, convenient, and packed with features like fast syncing between devices, a built-in password manager, and yes, a mobile app. But here's the deal. By default, Firefox sends some data back to Mozilla, like telemetry and crash reports. You can turn this off, but it's not super obvious. And if you want ad blocking, you'll have to install something like uBlock Origin yourself. Now, LibreWolf, it's like the privacy geek's dream. It's a community-driven fork of Firefox that rips out anything that could leak your data. No telemetry, no Pocket, zero phoning home. It comes pre-hardened, with strict tracking protection and anti-fingerprinting switched on from the start. You don't have to dig through about config settings because it's all set up for you. Plus, uBlock Origin is built in, so ads hardly stand a chance. And since LibreWolf deletes cookies on exit and blocks a ton of trackers, it's seriously private, almost paranoid. But here's the catch. That privacy comes with trade-offs. Some websites just won't work right. You might get kicked out of logins, or video players could break. And forget syncing to your phone. LibreWolf doesn't have a mobile app. Updates are a bit slower too, since you're waiting on the community, not a big company. So, what's the verdict? If you want a browser that just works, everywhere, every time, stick with Firefox. But if you're hardcore about privacy and don't mind a few headaches, LibreWolf is your new best friend. Choose what fits your vibe.